everyone, this is Kejima Vlog, si Filipino reactor beast here in King of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Barda Kong Violation because why not? Ayan ha, tumalak na ako sa una at second video natin. Sana tapos na tayo dito. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Very caring.
Ay, ano to?
Because she's a type na very caring.
Very caring?
David.
Wait lang, bakit nalulubat ang isa kong ano? Okay.
I think her understanding. I think we are both different human beings. We have different personalities.
Okay.
The way I work is different from her. You know, so I think
Bakit nalulubat siya?
understanding me and me understanding her. That's where we.
That's why, connect. Oh.
Because she's
May,
a type
ayun na.
very caring.
Caring talaga. I care for her a lot. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, mas kinikilig pa ako kung sabihin nyo, I trust her, I trust him, I care for him, I care for you, kesa sa I love you. Mas kinikilig ako doon. Mas nakakakilig yun. Di ba?
And also, talagang never goes overboard. Like parang she empathizes with me in a way na okay.
So, empathy. Di ba nasabi din niya ni Barbie doon, na gusto niya sa mga lalaki, may empathy. Ganun din. Nafe-feel din yun ni David kay Barbie.
That's how David worked and this is
So, the
how I work.
mutual is the feeling is mutual. The feeling is mutual, no?
Si Barbie, she's also super nice na person talaga. So, yeah, very easy to work with. Yeah, very professional.
Diba?
With my girlfriend, I mean, we're not physically together. But siya, nasa, ano siya, siguro in a place na hindi siya comfortable.
Oo. Kaya tinawagan siya sa The Buzz.
Hindi ko naman siya,
Okay.
kayang samahan all the time. So, with the Buzz app,
Buzz up.
she would feel safe because marinig
Because? Charis.
yung voice.
Siyempre kumanta ka. Ang galing mo kayang kumanta, Ginoo. Charis. Ang galing mo kayang kumanta at sumayaw. Kaya pasok ka sa banga. Charis.
Instantly,
Charis, pempen ko.
yung pag may nag-send sa akin ng voice note pero ayoko pa siya basahin at that moment, it converts into a text message.
Text message.
So, yun. And then yung emojis, very innovative, super fun.
Oh.
I'm super excited just because as a consumer, parang having this app na sobrang ganda, useful, and innovative. I just can't wait na ma-share yun sa mga Filipinos to make their lives easier. I mean, I know the hassle of traffic and siguro the pressure of work.
The pressure of work.
So, I think with the Buzz app na alam mo, like super ganda, super innovative na, hindi na nila, parang they wouldn't have to go through the hassle.
Okay. What's next? Ay, hindi siya
You got a
nag-play.
girlfriend?
Ay, ito talaga.
Okay, that's one.
Ito talaga yung masasabi ko talaga na ang galing-galing talaga ni David. Jeez. Mapapasabi ka na lang talaga na parang ang galing talaga ni David.
No,
have
but
a
you're
lot
fucking right,
of
David. I mean, you.
It's tough.
David, were you a good son, David? Were you listen to your kids?
Actually,
you listen to your parents?
Before actually, no. As in like pinalayas now before when I was in
No.
first year high school, I think.
Man.
Like I was
First
I was
year
away
high
from
school,
my house
pinalayas.
like for 5
First
days.
year high school, pinalayas.
No, like, you being an artista and doing all this stuff now, how is it?
No naman. I mean, now they're really supportive with what I'm doing because they're
Ano talaga siya, no?
They're
Goofy.
45.
Goofy talaga siya.
So I think they're supportive naman.
But
They support it.
when they kicked
Indeed.
you out, like,
Before talaga they were really strict. Maybe because parang
Kasi
they were
baby ka
young
pa
now.
and naughty ka.
I think they got married around 22 years old, so they were young.
So,
I don't know.
You're a one-woman guy.
Hindi, syempre, kapag nasa relationship ka naman, di ba?
mm-mm.
You have to be
Faithful
loyal.
naman pala siya.
Pero-
Faithful
You're
naman
right.
pala si David, di Coco.
Slay lang ng slay.
Slay lang ng slay. I love that.
Go.
Slay lang ng slay.
Sure, are you,
Yeah.
oh, sorry.
Go,
are you
Jamie. Go.
dating someone right now?
Ay.
Me, no.
Are you dating someone right now?
I just broke up with my ex like a few
Mm.
Cheating you.
Hi David, hi Barbie, hi Alden, and hi
Sino to?
Sarah. Good afternoon. So for my first question, how was it like translating the script into when the cameras took action for Pulang Araw?
Wait, let me skip that one. No, we watched this one already. Ito.
Yung mga postcard, yung mga video,
Ah.
tawag ba?
Yung si Davis, si Barbie nakikinig.
Frontline ng
Parang pinipigilan tumawa. Bakit niya pinipigilan tumawa, mami?
kahit paano natuwa sila na nakita nila si Barbie.
Bakit niya pinipigilan tumawa? Ay,
Mga lalaki yun
cute ni David. Sobrang cute talaga ni David.
I like that. Ibinibigay kahit hindi hinihingi.
Ay, ito talaga.
I think that's really great. That's no.
Ito talaga yung mga pinanghahawakan natin.
Naku, alam ko na yan.
Ito. Basta.
Sa inyong dalawa, our time.
Parang kay Barbie, parang hindi siya fan service talaga. No?
Sino ang
What do you
mas
think?
Yata. Parang
Si David. Ay,
Sino
talaga? Si Barbie yung kuripot?
mas madaling utangan?
Si David.
Ako yan.
Si
Mas
David.
mahirap pasayahin?
Si David.
Baka ako siguro.
Barbie,
Baka ako siguro.
matigas ang ulo.
Ako yun.
Mas
Oh.
matagal mag-reply
siya.
Ay, bakit nagme-message kayo?
na Swiftie.
Ako, mas afford niya lang.
Mas afford niya lang.
Mas iyakin.
Mas iya ako.
Ang mas mayaman.
Siya.
Ay,
1 to 10, Barbie. Gaano kayaman si David?
11.
1 to 10, Barbie.
11.
Gaano kabango si David?
11 din.
Barbie, 1 to 10. Gaano ka-sweet si David?
kaano?
Ako sinama sa Swift. Okay.
Okay. 1 to 10. Gaano ka-cute si David?
Gano'n ka-cute? Ay, sus, pa-cute. Pa-cute. Sana naging kantadya si David, no? Kaso hindi na, may paparating kasi siyang ano eh.
Pag kino-compliment ko siya.
May paparating siyang, what do you call this? Ay, parang superior talaga doon si Barbie. Parang naging superior talaga siya doon.
That you would dedicate kay David.
Daylight.
Daylight.
David, gaano kadaldal si Barbie? 1
6?
to 10, David. Gaano kalambing si Barbie?
10,
Gaano kasipag si Barbie?
15,
Gaano kaganda si Barbie? 1 to 10.
99.
Oh!
99. Gandang-ganda. Gandang-ganda naman pala.
Nakangiti.
Natatawa si Barbie sa akin kapag
Kapag
Hiya ako.
nagalit si Barbie sa akin noong
Nung nalate ako,
nanalita ko, ang bilis ng sagot niya. Ang bilis ng sagot niya.
dedicate to Barbie.
lavender.
Lavender. Lavender.
1 to 10, gaano kayo ka-close?
May mas
Mas, ito din kasi si Barbie. Mga ganyan-ganyan ni Barbie, nakaka-fold din yan sa mga lalaki.
Dito ka lang.
Lights on or lights off?
For the both of us.
Yes.
On.
Ay, lights on talaga so that you can see it all. Di ba? Lights on talaga so that you can see it all. Di ba?
Oh, mas brave ako.
Yes. Best time for happiness.
I think nighttime.
Nighttime.
Isa pa. Okay. Para sa inyong dalawa, sabihin niyo sa isa't isa.
Ano? Oh my God. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko to. Grabe to. Mata sa mata, ngipin sa ngipin. Hindi mo si Barb. Hindi seven. Cliché. Napaka-cliché naman nun, David. Napaka-cliché naman nun.
Deserve mong maging masaya dahil marami kang nakakasaya.
Ay, taray. The feeling is mutual talaga. Anyways, there you go guys. That is it for today's video. Ang ganda. Papanoorin pa natin ito. Marami pa tayong papanoorin. This is Kid Vlogs and see you in our next vlog. Bye.